you will be writing WAEC exams. Here are a few things I need you to focus on. Here are a few things you must not forget to learn. Just pay attention and follow this video very well. If you want to make your A1, if you want to write in one sitting, write it once. Here are a few things you should know as you enter the exam hall. Number one, as you are entering the exam hall for WAEC, NECO, or any examination, I need you to dress properly. I have always said if you dress ruggedly or shabbily, external invigilators, these supervisors will have a special focus on you. There's this thing they call trouble or problem candidate. They'll begin to look at you as a problem candidate. So possibly somebody that is with phone or any exhibit. So dress properly. Your hair should look good. You can do any kind of hairstyle after the exam. But while you are still doing the exam, your hair should look good. Wear the proper uniform. Stocking. If you need to wear stockings, put on your stockings. Look smart and good. Very important. Number two, you are expected to arrive very early to the exam. I expect you to arrive at least 1 hour to the exam. Some people will arrive when the exam is already starting, when they are sharing the script, or 30 minutes into the exam. It is important you arrive earlier before your exam. It means you should know your timetable to know the particular time the exam is supposed to start. If you don't have the timetable by now, please let me know so I can send you the timetable. You don't have the timetable, what you just do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come on to this YouTube channel, subscribe, then come under this video and write, I have subscribed. Then I will send you the timetable, past questions, and other things you need. Let's continue. Once you enter the exam hall, calm down and don't be distracted. You are in for an exam, so don't be distracted. Don't start playing around. Don't be afraid. Don't start being panicking. There are hundreds of thousands of people writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB across the country, and even in other countries. So there is no reason why you should be afraid. There are many people you are better than writing this exam. So don't panic, but don't be overconfident. Just calm down, focus, and write your exam. Don't be distracted. Get all your writing materials ready. Some people will enter and say that their pen is not working, they forgot their pencil, or they don't have their math set or calculator. Before you enter this exam, find out all the materials you need and ensure you enter the exam with those materials. You can't be begging for pen. You can't be begging for pencil and other materials. This is very, very important. Now, I already told you that timetable for WAEC is out. If you have not gotten it, subscribe to Noble Tutorials. This is our YouTube channel. Just hit on subscribe. Then come under this video and tell me you are subscribed. Even if you are writing for 2025, 2026, any other year apart from 2024, we have the timetable, the official timetable. Subscribe, and I will come under this video and say, I have subscribed. Then we will send you the timetable for this year. Now, continue. Pay attention to all the instructions. Some exam they will say answer only one question or two questions. Some will say shade. Some will be objective. Some will be theory. Some will be computer based. So in this particular exam, note the instruction paper. For each paper you are writing, some will say synonyms, where the opposite in meaning, one similar in meaning. Okay, mathematics they will say without using calculator. Some will say approximate to 2 decimal. These are the simple instructions you should pay attention to. That's why you don't need to be distracted. As you get to your paper, note the instructions of the question and follow them. Apart from the instructions in the question paper, also the instructions of the examiner. Examiner could say, stand up. You have to stand up. Say, sit down. You have to sit down. He say, remove your phone. You have to remove your phone. These are very, very important. Then ensure that you write your details properly. Your details, like what is your exam number, please? Write it properly or shade it properly. What is your seat number if it's requested? Shade it properly. Okay, what is the center number? Shade it properly. If there's anyone you need to write your name, write it properly, eligibly, so that there will be no stories around your own questions, your question paper. Now, if you have not watched this video, go to our YouTube channel right now. Watch WAEC 2024 will look like, or what your years, even if it's 2025, 2026, or any other year. Go over to our channel, search for this video, and watch for it. If you want me to send you the link, also comment that you want the link. Do you understand? Okay, let's continue. When you enter exam hall, don't be dull, but be smart. Smart doesn't mean you should be behaving as if you know everything. Smart means you should focus. Smart means you should do everything you can do to pass your exam. You know, do everything you can do. Don't be dull. If you need to ask a question, ask a question. If you need to do anything with your name, anything you will do it, but be smart. Don't be dull. Shade the objective paper carefully and properly. Anyone you are shading in the objective for why, remember this um, shading paper is always marked, objective paper is always marked by computer, not human being. So as you shade it properly with your HB pencil. Shade, if the answer is C, come to option C and shade it properly. Don't shade into another, maybe D or another option. Shade only that part and shade it properly. If you are cleaning a particular thing, clean it properly before you go to the next one to shade, so that the computer will recognize it and not invalidate it. Okay, let's continue. I hope you are learning. Answer the required number of questions in each section of the theory. You know, in theory, you are not to answer everything. They could say in this section, answer 2 out of 4 questions. So know the number. Even if you have the answers, you know the answers, you have the answers by any means. Don't write everything. Find out the number of questions that they want you to answer and answer it. Avoid unnecessary cancellations. How do you avoid unnecessary cancellations? Start with the ones you know. If they gave you a question that is 10 in number and you know number 2, start with number 2. Then you could continue with, not you don't know it, you start with number 1 that you don't know. Later, when you remember or when you eventually find the answer, you begin to cancel. It will make your work very suspicious. Your work should be clean and smart. If you have not, 5 easy steps to pass your examination. Have you watched this video? If you have not, go to our YouTube channel, search for it, or if you want the link, tell me. Remember, I can send you your timetable for this exam. I can send you the past question, the syllabus you need to know as you are preparing for this, your exam. Now, don't forget to submit your questions early enough, not when everybody is rushing giddy, giddy, giddy. Submit your questions early enough to avoid stories that touch the heart. Okay? If you want me to send you past questions, PDF on your phone, I will send it to you. What all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube channel and say, I have subscribed, and come under this video and type, I have subscribed. I can send you the past questions. I can send you the timetable. I can send you other materials you need. If you have not seen this video, please go and see what WAEC will look like this year. This is the name of our school, Noble Group of Schools. I am the proprietor. Talk to us, talk to me anytime, any day. So go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel, come under this video and say I have subscribed, and we wish you all the best in your WAEC and other exams you will be writing. Thank you so much.